Experience the perfect fusion of retro design and cutting-edge technology with the AULA F2088 Mechanical Keyboard. Featuring stylish round keycaps, this keyboard brings a unique, vintage aesthetic to any gaming setup, making it stand out from the crowd. The RGB backlighting is not just for show. It offers an impressive 22 different lighting effects, turning your gaming environment into a vibrant light show. This keyboard provides you with the choice of 4 distinct switch types to match your gaming style. Blue switch delivers a strong mechanical feel and a crisp, satisfying click sound, perfect for those who love tactile feedback. Black switch, known for its fast response and speed, ideal for rapid key presses and fast-paced gaming. Red switch, designed to be silent, it's perfect for shooting games where stealth and speed are crucial. Brown switch offers a slightly audible click with quick activation, striking a balance between speed and tactile feedback. Beyond its striking design and customizable switches, the AULA F2088 is fully programmable. Utilize the macro support to tailor your keyboard layout and commands to your specific needs. Whether you're setting up complex macros for MMO games or customizing key bindings for your favorite FPS, this keyboard adapts to your playstyle. The AULA F2088 is also highly versatile, compatible with a wide range of devices, including PC, Mac, PS4, PS5, Xbox, and tablets. This ensures that no matter what platform you're gaming on, this keyboard has got you covered. With a durable metal panel, alloy knob, and ABS keycaps, the AULA F2088 is built to last. The 1.8 nylon braided cable and silicone base ensure a stable connection and reliable performance during intense gaming sessions. Don't wait any longer to enhance your gaming setup. Order the AULA F2088 Mechanical Keyboard today and enjoy free shipping depending on your region. Check the purchase link in the description box below. Elevate your gaming experience with a keyboard that offers both style and performance. Remember, the purchase link is in the description box below. Free shipping available depending on your region. It's time to take your gaming to the next level with AULA.